So now we are going to go check out where the Appalachian Trail crosses over this state highway and the state line. Mountain air. Got trees for sale, I guess. There. That sucker must have been coming down the hill hard. Took out the guardrail. How high are we now? (4,473 feet. This gaggle here. Oh, they're all showing off for their buddies. How cute. And they're going downhill, saying go faster. Isn't that neat? You see that view to the right? So this crosses the Appalachian Trail. That's that blue line. That's the blue line right there, a purplish line. Oh my. On the map, it's a road called Back ACRS, Back Acres. Wind rock those trees. Dang. Uh-oh. Might be getting up into cloud country. There we are. Parking Road. Alright. Pisgah, Cherokee, Carver's Gap, 5,512. Haha, I'm not on the road. Oh, hey, that road's closed. Wonder why. Roan Mountain Recreation Area closed. Do not block gate or road. Do not walk up to site on road or Cloudland Trail. Site is closed for improvements and repairs thanks to Great American Outdoor Act funding. Good job.